In my internship in MEMS, I used to take the trolley up to the wards, where I would then pick up the backs, the pumps, the mattresses, and then bring it down where the electrical equipment would be tested, and the mattresses would be cleaned and serviced and what have you. Well, basically, you'd clean it because you'd then pass that dirt onto the nurse, which then would maybe pass on to the patient who's using it. There might be contamination. When I was in MEMS, I used to talk to people in a professional manner. My time in clinical coding was I would go up to the wards, collect the patient notes from the wards, put them in a trolley, take them down to office where they would be coded. And I had to use the computer as well, tracing where the notes were, so then I wouldn't have to walk around the hospital trying to find out where the notes were. I found being able to conquer my stammer a bit more easier than I used to. My final internship is working in logistics, which is just stores down on level 2. We have to go and collect the empty cages to put the boxes of stuff in for the guys to take up in the morning. They had a picking list of all the boxes of stuff, and you would have the quantities at one end, and the what the object was at the other end, and then you had to pick from the shelf what that object was. Bearing in mind, if you'd have to get it right. If you didn't get it right and it went up to the wards, then they'd probably complain. You'd have to put the big stuff in the cages first, then put the smaller stuff around it. Then once you filled it up, you then shut the cage and label it with the ward, what the ward was. The employer will want to give me a job because I worked in a hospital before. I know my way around. Good with people. I work hard. I have a good sense of humour. I'm able to participate in a team. I can also work on my own. I can get the job done quickly.